Boom, what's going on, everybody? All right, so let me kind of give you guys an update and what's going on and what happened. So first of all, this video that you guys are going to see is going to be just more so a little bit of a montage, a little bit of fast forwarding of us installing the lift kit, the front bumper, and the skid plates on the GX. Bring you guys up to date. What happened is I kind of put all three of those things on throughout the same weekend, so I did it all in a 3-day span. And because of doing that in a 3-day span, what ended up happening was I kind of ran out of battery sometimes when I was filming and just didn't go to change the battery out, didn't do a lot of that stuff, and didn't keep you guys updated throughout the whole video because it was like a whole 3-day process between doing the lift kit, doing the front bumper, doing the skid plates. So that's kind of why this video is what it is. So give you guys an update or whatnot. That's what's happening. So what I'm gonna do is after this, you guys will see a little montage of the video get put together and whatnot of everything. Like I said, the bumper, the suspension, all the good stuff. And then at the end, I will show you what the Lexus looks like. So that's kind of the update or whatever. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump into it. Let me show you guys all kind of how it played out, and then at the end, stay tuned so you guys can see the final product. And 3, 2, 1. Let's watch this thing get disassembled, reassembled, and then turn into some crazy looking monster. Let's go. Alright guys, so I apologize, we didn't get much video for the front. So let me show you guys what we did do though. So right here, so we got the stage 2 set up, got the billet, not the billet, I lied to you, tubular control arms, got the Duro bump stop set up. Good to go. It's all tied up, got it all set up. Now we are moving on to the back. Let's see if we can knock this out right quick. So we're gonna go ahead and lift up the rear, pop off what is the rear struts first, and then the springs. Remove the sway bar, get the KDSS spacers put in, and then just put that in reverse. That should finish us all up. Boom, it's officially done. What do you guys think, man? Is this thing not crazy looking or what, man? Super excited. So, nonetheless, got the front bumper set up. Everything's good to go. And in the next video, after this, you'll kind of see the sliders get put on. But after that, this weekend, I'll see you guys at the More Expo. But other than that, I'm out of here. Hope you guys liked today's video. In 3, 2, 1, peace!